Hi there, students. Up and coming, very often hyphenated. Okay, this is an adjective. If you describe someone as up and coming, you mean that it's very probable that they're going to be very successful soon or in the near future. So he was an up and coming young actor. Yeah, normally this is about somebody who is young. Yeah, likely to achieve success in the near future. He's an up and coming footballer. Yeah. They like to use this competition as a testing ground for up and coming players. Yeah. Okay, up and coming young players. Okay, so it says that somebody's is making good progress in a particular activity, a sport, an occupation. He's an up and coming young artist. This gallery likes to show paintings by up and coming young artists. Yeah, he's an up and coming Hollywood star. Yeah, it's very promising. Somebody who's going to do well. Maybe it says they're a little ambitious as well. Okay, you can also use this figuratively to mean enterprising and alert. He's a very hard worker and very up and coming. Yeah, he's enterprising and alert. And if you're enterprising and alert, then you're going liable to be successful in the future. We need candidates who are going to be up and coming PhD students, good quality PhD students. Yeah, the newspaper wrote an article about an up and coming author. Okay, so emerging, aspiring, beginning to attract attention, beginning to gain critical acclaim. Yeah, he's an up and coming comedian. He's an up and coming figure in the music business. Okay, so if somebody's up and coming, they're really going to have a good future. So I think maybe all of you are up and coming English experts, yeah, because if you've got this far, then you've done very, very well. Okay, up and coming, formality. This is more on the informal side. I'd say 4.5 informality. Definitely in an informal conversation. I think you could definitely use it in a semi-formal writing as well, but I wouldn't use it in something very formal. I think it's probably a little bit too informal for that. And then as to origin, well, they're on the up and up, they're rising and coming forward. And that's the idea. They're budding, they're very promising, they're rising. Yeah, they're in the making. He's an up and coming young film director. Yeah, he's a budding film director. He's going to be really famous and good at it. So I think that's probably enough. Up and coming, someone that's going to be really good in the future. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Up and coming.